Is love at first sight real? If so, how does the human mind recognize such immediate connections? These intriguing questions led us on an exciting journey through cognitive science, exploring how multiple disciplines intersect to shape our understanding of attraction and perception.
At its core, cognitive science is an interdisciplinary endeavor. George A. Miller, a pioneer in this field, depicted cognitive science as a collaborative hexagon, integrating diverse fields like philosophy, psychology, neuroscience, anthropology, linguistics, and artificial intelligence. To thoroughly understand instant attraction, we explored these interconnected disciplines through books, videos, articles, and extensive research, aiming to discover how cognition influences the choices we make about who we are instantly drawn to.
Initially, philosophy offered a logical starting point. After all, philosophy specializes in asking fundamental questions about human existence and experience. Yet, early explorations often led to more questions than answers. Influential philosophers of mind and consciousness provided intriguing but ultimately inconclusive perspectives. Thus, our journey began with curiosity but faced many initial hurdles.
Douglas Hofstadter's seminal work emerged as an important foundation, primarily due to his influence on second-generation artificial intelligence during the 1970s and 1980s. Understanding Hofstadter's and Marvin Minsky's Society of Mind theory was crucial, yet as we delved deeper, their ideas felt increasingly dated in our quest to understand modern cognitive phenomena like instant attraction.
David Chalmers offered a refreshing shift in our philosophical exploration. Contrary to popular materialist thought, Chalmers boldly defended dualism, the concept that mind and matter are distinct. His formulation of the hard problem of consciousness, the question of why subjective experiences exist, aligned intriguingly with our questions about instant attraction. Why, indeed, does instant attraction feel necessary, distinct from ordinary attraction? What is the purpose behind such intense subjective experiences?
The concept of unembodied cognition, explored by cognitive scientists like Andy Clark and Anthony Kemerow, provided fresh insights. Jerry Fodor and Zenon Pylyshyshyn made a controversial assertion that some mental constructs, like perception, might not exist.
Integrating anthropology with psychology and neuroscience further enriched our research. Helen Fisher and Stephanie Cassioppo's studies on instant attraction demonstrated how these disciplines could intersect. Their work revealed how instant attraction relates closely to broader emotional and cognitive processes. Paul Ekman's work on universal facial expressions offered interesting, however out-of-date insights after major tech companies' discontinuation of facial emotion recognition technologies recently.
Philosopher Daniel Dennett further bridged anthropology and philosophy, providing frameworks connecting different cognitive science fields. His synthesis helped us build connections, deepening our understanding of the intricate relationships within cognitive science.
Yet, no exploration would be complete without a deep dive into neuroscience and psychology. Researchers Michael Gazzaniga and Joseph Ledoux significantly advanced neuroscience, elucidating brain functions in accessible ways. However, their research seldom crossed interdisciplinary boundaries. Alison Gopnik updated Jean Piaget's developmental theories but similarly remained isolated within psychology without broader cognitive integration.
Antonio Damasio's somatic marker theory, which postulates emotions as integral to rational thought, profoundly resonated with our exploration. Lisa Barrett took this further, challenging traditional views by presenting emotions as continuous constructs rather than discrete categories. Barrett's work clarified that instant attraction is not an on-off phenomenon but exists on a spectrum of emotional intensity, varying significantly among individuals.
Exploring atypical cognitive phenomena also provided crucial insights. V.S. Ramachandran's research into synesthesia, the intermingling of sensory experiences, highlighted how much cognitive activity occurs subconsciously. This realization inspired us to consider other atypical neurological conditions, such as dyslexia, left-handedness, and broader neurodiversity.
Our exploration extended to extraordinary individuals, offered compelling evidence connecting unique sensory experiences with exceptional cognitive abilities. Leonardo da Vinci, who demonstrated potential dyslexia and left-handedness, displayed unparalleled creativity and innovative thought. Musicians like Billy Joel exhibited synesthesia. Michelle Obama, Charlotte Bronte, Jeff Bezos, and Ramachandran were found to possess atypical anatomical features linked to distinctive cognitive patterns.
Ultimately, our exploration into instant attraction provided much more than expected. Through our journey, we uncovered an emerging modern view of cognitive science, recognizing emotions as fundamental, continuous elements of rational thought. Instant attraction emerged not as a binary phenomenon but rather a dynamic emotional spectrum, unique to each individual's cognitive and sensory makeup.
Our research reshaped our understanding of dualism, suggesting that mind and brain might be significantly disconnected yet still rooted in the material world, a form of dual materialism. Instead of seeking answers in alternative dimensions or quantum phenomena, perhaps the mind is more practically viewed as profoundly decoupled from, yet fundamentally linked to, the brain.
In conclusion, by integrating multiple cognitive science disciplines, we gained a richer, holistic understanding of instant attraction. Cognitive science's interdisciplinary nature provides powerful insights, deepening our appreciation for the intricate interplay of sensing, emotions, and cognition.